Hello and welcome to the Michelangelo of Cake Academy's Cozy Cake program. I'm so excited to show you how to go from just 3 layers of your favorite flavor cake to a full set of cozy knit gloves and matching hat. There's no better way to spend a chilly afternoon, so let's get this party started. I made a vanilla cake 3 layers 6-inch with French buttercream in between each. First thing we'll do is carve our hat out of the cake. We ultimately want to trim the top corners of the cylinder shape and let it taper down to its natural size. Most of the carving focus is at the top edges. I found it easier to maneuver the knife wielding it upside down from the top of the cake, and it more naturally grants you the angle we're trying to follow. I am leaving the cake scraps temporarily beside the cake to show just how much will be removed, and as a reminder not to throw them away. We'll be turning those into cake pop momentarily. Add the cake scraps to a bowl and with a gloved or clean hand, mash it together. There should be just the right amount of buttercream that came with the carved cake scraps, but if it's feeling a little dry, feel free to add a dollop more. Once it's fully combined, collect a sizable amount and round it out into a ball shape. This will be our hat floof. Make it slightly larger than currently visually appropriate since the cake will be expanding with buttercream. Once it's correct, place it in the freezer to stiffen while we work on the rest of our hat. First, we'll need to crumb coat the entirety of the hat. I'm going in with a light layer of Swiss meringue buttercream. No need to concern yourself with covering every inch of the cake. We simply want to suture in all the crumbly bits.